Hi. Today I will show you how to get the required drivers for your MSI products from official source. Go to Google. Look for MSI drivers. Head to first one. Now come to product line. I am going for motherboards. You can choose your product type. I have Pro Series motherboard which I need the drivers for. Finally search. Now these are the drivers we need for my motherboard or PC. I can also change the operating system here and drivers will sort it automatically. Now, I need this one and downloading the driver. After downloading, I just need to install it and restart the PC. So, this is the official way to get any missing or required driver for MSI products. Please let us know in comment box if you need further help. Hope you subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.